His third wife was really beautiful, and he loved to show her off to neighboring kingdoms. His second wife was very kind, patient, and considerate. Whenever the king faced some problems with decision, he would go to her and she would help him get through that decision. The first wife was very loyal partner and made great contribution in maintaining the king's health and wealth. But the king was very ignorant towards her. He hardly took notice of her. One day the king fell ill and he knew that he was gonna die soon. He wondered, I now have 4 wives with me, but when I die, I will be all alone. He called his fourth wife and asked, I love you most. When I die, will you follow me to keep me company? The fourth wife refused and walked away without any other word. The king felt very sad. The third wife also refused, saying, No, I can't. Life is too good and I am gonna remarry after you die. Then a voice came from outside. I will go with you, no matter where you go. The king looked up and saw his first wife, who was looking really dull and suffered. The king said with grief, I should have taken care of you when I had the chance. The truth is, we all have those 4 wives in our lives. The fourth wife represents our body. Whole life we try to make it look good, but it will leave us when we die. In pursuit of body, wealth, and pleasure of this world, we often ignore it. Soul is the only thing that will follow us. In this world, we live for pleasures and sometimes we ignore our soul and spiritual being. With all other things, what we should focus most is on our inner self, our soul. Strengthen and cherish it now, for it is the only part that will follow and be always with us.